Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the online classes now. We are doing geography. So, in geography, we are doing agriculture. And so far, we have studied about Rabi crops, that is, crops grown in winter, and Kharif crop, so that is grown in during rainy season. So, now we have talked about that, discussed about that. Now, in between, there are three cropping seasons. Three cropping season in India: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. So two we are finished, Rabi and Kharif. Now we'll talk about Zaid crops. Yeah, Zaid cropping season. Cropping pattern from here. Zaid season. There are 2 points. In between Rabi and Kharif, in between these two, Rabi and Kharif cropping season, there is a short season. There is a short season during summer, in between these two, during summer months. During summer months, there is a very short period and some crops are grown, and these are called Zaid crops. Yeah, Zaid season. Summer months known as the Zaid season. And in this season, during short period, some of the crops produced in this Zaid season are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, some kind of vegetables, and some kind of fruits, as well as fodder crops. Fodder crop means crops grown for the animals, for domestic animals, as fodder. Fodder means grass. So these are the crops grown in this very short period, short season, that is Zaid season. Watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, some kind of fruits, vegetables, and fodder crops are grown in this short season, that's Zaid season. Now here, this is the cropping pattern. We'll talk about major crops that are grown in India. There are a number of crops that are grown in India, but we'll talk about major crops. First, we'll talk about a number of crops. Then we'll talk about major crops. 3-4 major crops such as rice, wheat, millets, and pulses. They are very important and they are major crops. So now, first we'll talk about a variety of crops that are grown in India. Under major crops, under the heading of major crops, first, a variety of food and non-food crops. A variety of food crops and non-food crops are grown. Non-food crops such as jute, cotton, rubber, tea, coffee. So a variety of food and non-food crops are grown in India, depending upon the variations of soil, climate, methods and practices. A variety of crops are grown. Some are food crops, some are non-food crops. Such as, number 2, major crops. Major crops grown in India are rice, that's a food crop, wheat, millets, all food crops, pulses, food crop, tea, coffee, they are drinks, beverages, oil seeds, food crops, cotton, not food crops, non-food crops, cotton, jute, and sugarcane food crops, commercial crops. So some of the major food and non-food crops are given over here. Now we'll talk about major food crops: rice, wheat, pulses, millets. We'll talk about one by one. A type of conditions, type of soil and climate and temperature. We'll talk about that, about the main food crops. So first we'll talk about rice. Only 2 points are given. We'll learn more in next class. Rice, that's a major food crops. It is the staple food. Staple means frequently we eat most of the time by most of the people in India. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Majority of the population, majority of the people in India, they eat rice once or twice in a day. Sometimes um, in Bengal, in some other areas where rice is grown in abundance, they eat 3 times. Sometimes they eat 2 times. So it is the staple food. That's why it is called staple food, because most of the people, they like to eat rice. So it is the staple food crop of a majority of the people or the population in India. People of India, or majority of the people in India, they eat rice. After China, China comes under, China is the first producer, number one. After China, India is the second largest producer of rice. So in the world, China comes first in the production of rice. China is number one, and India's number is 2 in the production of rice. So India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. So we'll talk about now climate, requirement of soil, what type of soil is required, what type of climate, what temperature it requires. So what methods are used to grow this major crop, rice. We'll talk about in which areas it is grown extensively. We'll talk about that in our next class. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and carry on our lessons about the major food crops, that is rice. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, continue your study, and go through online portal every day so that you will not miss anything. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.